Hello, this is me again, Mark, and I will bring you here to the amenities of the Solinea. This is a resort type living here inside the Cebu Business Park. Those are the towers of the Solinea, and that's the amenities. That's the Avalon. That is not part of the Solinea. And we have this garden right here. Siso. That's the Avalon developed by the primary homes.